We are very much aware about doing regular exercise and remaining fit. We also understand the importance of eating healthy and nutritious. But still, we fail to follow it rigorously every day, every time. The reason is availability of raw, bland, tasteless foods under the name of healthy alternatives. Now forget those boring things and enhance nutrition of your regular meal using Banamin's healthy alternative. Banamin's low GI gluten-free clean food products provide balanced nutrition, satisfies almost 25 to 45% requirement of your daily major nutrients. It has only natural ingredients, contains no preservatives, chemicals. It tastes like regular meals and snacks, and most important, they are suitable for everyone in family. Banamin's food products also helps in fat burning, helps to improve your digestion metabolism. They are 100% suitable for diabetic people because of the low GI nature. They keep you energetic and cheerful throughout the whole day, and most important, they are excellent alternative for athletes, fitness enthusiasts who want to have healthy food. Banamin's low GI gluten-free pizza-based flour. It provides 20% daily requirement of major nutrients. It is free from starches, gums and any other chemicals which are used in commercially available gluten-free flours. It contains only banana, beans, peas and cabbage as the ingredients. Low GI gluten-free vegan falafel mix. It is high in protein, fibers and provides more than 27% daily requirement of nutrients. It does not contain chickpeas which creates gases and gastric troubles for most of the people. Anytime meal and snack option, it is ideal for weight loss, fitness and diabetic people. It contains only banana, beans, peas, cabbage, turmeric. Low GI gluten-free vegan green banana flour. It is a superfood providing more than 22% daily requirement of major nutrients. It is very high in resistant starch too, which is helpful for improving metabolism and digestion related properties. It is excellent for weight loss, fitness and for the diabetic people because of the low GI nature. Gluten-free low GI vegetable soup mix. It provides more than 25% daily requirement of major nutrients, an excellent post-workout meal option. It contains no sugar, no starch and 100% clean label product. It is a very good option for people who are looking for the weight loss and fitness. Low GI gluten free vegan buttermilk mix. It is an ideal energy drink mix and anytime hunger snacks, especially the afternoon hunger. It provides greater than 25% daily requirement of major nutrients. It contains no sugar, no starch, no chemicals. It is also an excellent for people looking for the weight loss, people wanted to have the fitness and diabetic people. So include Banamin's healthy options in your daily routine today itself. Take a step towards delicious, tasty and healthy lifestyle by choosing Banamin's low GI, gluten-free, clean label food products every time, every day, every meal. Let your affair with food begin once again.